Hold it very carefully. It's very scared. Okay, don't move it. Its little neck might be broken. So let's just keep it dark.
Let it rest. Just let it rest for a while.
It's very scared. You've never held a bird before, have you?
No, I have.
Let's sit down in this chair. You just keep it warm in your hands.
The reason why I said there was a dead bird is because I heard the thump and I looked out the window and there was this bird lying on the deck.
It's the way it's holding its head up. It's going to survive, sweetie.
It has a broken neck, probably.
Poor boy. But good thing it's still alive.
It is for now. We'll see. Maybe. Remember what happened with the robin?
What?
Remember in the story yesterday?
Mama bear, she let it go.
She let it go so that it could be happy.
Not quite yet.
That is a lucky bird.
Mm-hmm. It blinked a couple times, too.
It's going to be okay.
I think it's time now, Mama, before it gets too afraid.
Yeah.
It's not used to hands and being held.
Say goodbye. Just let him sit.
Maybe he's...
When he's ready to fly, he'll fly. She's a little bit afraid to be over there. Hopefully her wings aren't broken. She'll see in a minute.
Or maybe her wings are broken and maybe if her wings are broken, then maybe I can keep her if her wings are broken.
Someday, if you want, Serena, we can get a pet bird, like a canary, like they have at Playroom. I mean, Children's World.
Or maybe I will get a feather from this birdie.
Yes, perhaps. She seems to be very comfortable in your hand.
Okay, maybe she doesn't want.
Did she fly away?
Yes, she did.